Good morning, good evening, good night, whenever you guys are watching this channel. First, subscribe. You know, I made a video probably maybe 3-4 weeks ago about my catalytic converter getting stolen off of my 2007 Toyota Tundra. And this is crazy. This stuff is getting worse, especially here in Houston. When I went to Toyota today, I had to get some work done on my 2020. So I went on and got that plate put on. And I'm gonna show you where you can find one of these plates if you don't want to pay the price at Toyota Tundra. But they told me a story that a lady was at the bank across the road in her Tundra, and while she was in the drive-thru of the bank, her and her daughter, a couple of guys crawled under the vehicle and took the catalytic converter off while the vehicle was running. These people are brave. That's crazy. And it only took them maybe 4 or 5 minutes. By the time they got out the vehicle, and the sound changed. They noticed the sound changed, and by the time they got out of the vehicle, these guys were gone. They were off running. But I'm gonna show you a website where you can go and purchase one of these covers, which I paid at Toyota. I paid right at $600 to get one of these installed on my 2020. And I'm gonna get one installed on my 2007. I may do it myself, but you can go to the website and just go right here on the website, www.addautomotive.com, and you can click on it. And what it's going to do is take you to this site right here. This site, and this is in Houston. So you can go through and order you one of these or buy them. Just say, for instance, this Tundra right here. 2007 and 2021, it's $350 for one of those plates. And I mean, it'll take probably about 15 minutes to put this plate on. It's really simple. I just went on and got it done because I was there at Toyota. But you can just click on it, and it'll show you what it all comes with. It's real simple. You see right here, you can click on the install manual, and it comes with this plate right here. I think they changed it to aluminum, but those are there at Toyota right now. It's still stainless steel. I like the stainless steel better. But this right here, it is aluminum, what I've seen at Toyota. But you can go through here, and it tells you everything that it comes with, all the hardware. And only thing, the tools you need is a wrench, and somebody probably to help you hold it, and you just bolt it up, and it gives you these little clamps. You just slide in, and then once you slide them in, you just screw it together. It's that simple. I'm gonna show you what mine's look like on my 2020. So this is the website if you want to purchase one of these, and I'll put it in the description below. I'm just helping you guys out. I'm not getting paid to advertise for these people. You never know. I'm pretty sure they're glad these things are getting stolen off vehicles. The more stolen, the more they can sell. So this is they're making a killing off of this. So when a catalytic converter gets stolen, I think these guys probably give a thumbs up. That's another one we could sell, another kit we could sell. But anyway, we're gonna go and look at my truck. All right, I'm gonna just show you what it looks like when it's installed on the truck. So we're looking at this right here. This is a red Toyota Tundra. I think it's a 2021. It's on the floor, or on the floor. I know in the country we say flow, but on the floor. But we're gonna go ahead and crawl under here, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. And it's sad you have to go to this extent to protect stuff you pay for, and it's pretty sad. And I don't think the police department doing enough to try to figure this out. You know, we filed a report, and it took 5 or 6 hours for them to come to see us. And this is what it looks like installed. So it covers the catalytic converter. As you can see, a little part of one of the catalytic converters is showing, but it's a solid plate. This right here is stainless steel. So I'm pretty sure if they crawl under there and see this, they're gonna just say forget it. We got to unbolt this and take this off and take that off. So I think they'll go to the next vehicle, because it'll take them maybe 5 or 10 minutes to take this plate off, and then another 5 minutes to take this. So that's more time involved to get this. Hell, they might start stealing the plates and selling them. You never know about these people. So we're gonna walk on the driver's side and see what it looks like over there. And it's a nice, clean looking plate. So I'm gonna get one, like I said, I'm gonna get one put on my 2007. I already got one on my 2020. I hate to go through all of this to do that, but that's what it takes to protect your stuff. All right, thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and share this video. Also leave comments. Thanks for watching Welding and Stuff.